So you want to record top-down videos for YouTube. And you're wondering, how the hell do I set that up? Well, it's actually really simple and really cheap. All you need is a microphone stand and this little gizmo right here. That's it. I'll show you how. Coming right up. Step 1. You need one of these adapters. This is a Neewer adapter. Links are in the description for everything used in this demonstration tutorial. So just check it there if you're interested in setting it up. This is specifically for DSLR or mirrorless cameras, but you can also get an adapter for iPhone if you like as well. I'm going to go through step by step exactly what you need to do to set this up. Step 2. You would need one of these Amazon Basics tripod microphone stand. This is pretty cheap and the link is in the description as well. Let's show you how to set it up. So step 3, we're gonna do the setup. Connect your adapter to the microphone stand using the 5/8 inch side female thread. Fasten it tightly and make sure the bolt is facing down. The connector where you're going to mount the camera. Next, you're going to connect the camera to the 1/4 inch screw. Make sure the camera is level and facing down. And there you have it, a top-down recording setup. In this case, I didn't even have to use counterweights. I just made sure the stand, one of its third legs were sticking towards where the camera was. So it was in a way acting as a counterweight. If you have a mirrorless camera, you should not have to worry about counterweights. If your camera is heavy, I would recommend using a gym bag at the other end of the microphone stand boom arm. Okay, so here's a little sample of what an overhead shot looks like. It's very neat and clean. Make sure you create the maximum contrast between your product that you're demonstrating, or if you're drawing or writing, and to create a white background, I simply took a few sheets of printer paper and taped it to my desk. That's one of the ways you can do it. You can get a plain white cardboard. Usually most professional photography, they use white backgrounds, so keep that in mind. When you first bring in your image into your video editing software, it will be inverted. Make sure to invert the video the correct way. And this is how you do it in Filmora. Editing procedure is similar in other software as well. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel. We create a new video every week, Monday, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.